One of the most useful tools of the Splash's CMS is the ability to save custom blocks and elements into your personal library. This allows designers to then add them to any event pages they want. It will especially come in handy if you're using different themes for your event series, but still occasionally want to use the same blocks here and there. You'll also find it'll save you a ton of time building out your event pages. Additionally, your library of blocks and elements will only grow stronger as you progress. Let us show you how. Whether it be an element, a block, or an entire theme, the first thing you need to do when saving something to your personal Splash library is visually capture it. A simple screenshot can go a long way in helping you find and add that exact puzzle piece you need to your next event page. If you don't want a screenshot or don't know how, no worries. Splash will also automatically capture a screenshot of the block or element you are saving as well, so don't stress. Next, click into the block using the Layout tab and click on the first icon along the Layout tab navigation titled Save Update section. This will launch the Save Block modal. To make it especially easy to locate your block in the custom block library, you should properly title and tag your block. Try and be as specific as possible with both entries for increased search optimization. Before you hit save, you have one more option available to you: sharing it with the right people. Click into the Sharing tab along the left-hand side. Sharing access to this block will allow other users to add it to their pages as well. This can come in handy when you are working with a group of designers or collaborators that need access to the same things. Inside the Sharing tab, a designer has the option to share their custom block with an individual user, their entire organization, or groups, if they set up groups in their account. For now, let's share it with my friend Zach, and maybe our organization as well. Perfect. Now that we have learned how to save a custom block, let me show you where you need to go to access it and add it to your event pages. Regardless of which event page you want to add this custom block to, it is important to first save and refresh the page to ensure that your block library is properly updated. To add the custom block to your event page, open the block library by clicking on the Add Block icon in the Layout tab, or pinpointing the location of the soon-to-be-added block using the on-page UX. Once the Add a Block modal has been launched, scroll down to the bottom of the folder options. You'll find two new folders there: the Yours folder, which will be blocks that you've created, and the Shared folder, which houses blocks that have been shared with you. Since we have created this custom block ourselves, let's click into the Yours folder. Once inside the custom folder, you can scroll to visually search for it, or to make things easier for yourself, you can enter the title or tag of the block into the search input field. You can see, as your custom block library grows over time, how useful a well-executed screenshot and titling strategy can be. Once you locate your custom block, click on it to add it to the page. Voila! Pretty neat, right? Do keep in mind that any block added to the Splash page will automatically rebrand itself to match the fonts and the color palette established in the Theme tab. This rule still applies to custom blocks as well. So if you add a custom block that you originally saved with a red background, but decided to add it to a new event page that uses a different color, you'll notice the automatic update when you add it in. A custom block will not store colors nor custom fonts. It'll simply adapt to the event page it's added to. That's one less thing off your plate. Brilliant.